How to find out what flood zone you are in. Many times when applying for a building permit, you find out after submitting that you may be limited on what you can do based on the location and elevation of the property. These limitations are due to Fema regulations, therefore it is important for you to know your flood zone before submitting your permit. Finding the flood zone can be confusing. In this video, we will explain, step by step, how to do so. Step 1. Click on the link in the description box below to visit the Fema Flood Map Service Center. Step 2. Type on the search bar your address, city, and zip code. Step 3. Zoom in to see what your flood zone is. For example, X500. If you can't find your property that way, try the following method. Step 1. Find the jurisdiction, municipality you are under. You'll find the link to our previous YouTube video on the description box below, in which we also explain step by step how to find it. Step 2. Go to your jurisdiction's website and type DFIRM map on the search tool. Step 3. Once you are on the map, type your address and click enter. Step 4. Zoom in to see your flood zone. The flood zone where your property is located indicates whether or not you have to consider additional constraints when preparing to improve your property. For example, if you are in an X or X500 zone, then you can do anything that is allowed by code on your property. On the other hand, if you are in an AE, AH, or VE zone, there are a number of limitations, the most common of which is the 50% Fema regulation. So now that you have found your flood zone, what is next? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to learn the next steps to follow.